Memory modules in this server here. See, there's 8 separate memory modules, and I'm putting DIMMs in. As near as I can tell, this is non-ECC memory, so I'm supposed to put them in slots 5 and 6 and then place it back in the hole for each one of these. So I will be doing that now and then bringing up the server to see how well it works. Take the module out, you just slide the little blue thing in the direction of the arrow and grab the handle and lift, and then there it goes. Now, one thing you want to be very careful about when doing these is that you get them in right, and you look at the little notch that's there, match it up to the notch that's down in there, wherever it went, right there. There's a notch down in there, believe it or not. You want to put it in one side and then hit it on the other, and then push down until you hear the clicks on each side, and then make double sure that it's seated by giving it a push all the way across. Now, you also want to be careful not to slide your fingers across it, because it will hurt like a son of a gun and give you one of the world's worst paper cut. Back in, you just take it by the handle, go over there, lower it in, push on the 2 blue spots, and there it goes. These very rarely mess up if you just push them in just like that. Cover back on the box and sliding it back in here. Now we can put it on all of the data cables and KVM cables and all that first. And then we'll plug all the power in. See, I left this one separate. See how these two are kind of identical to each other. Got 2 of them here. I left it where I could easily tell which one went where. I'm gonna get your CNA cables in backwards, because your fiber channel won't work, and that would not be a good thing. You have to come back in here and do it all, you know, switch them out and bring it back up again and all that, and that would be a tremendous waste of time. Alright, so I've got all my cables plugged back in, so now it's time for the power. I'll just do those one at a time. I can get it in. Oops, yep, there we go. See, we got 4 power supplies, 2 on each side, plugged into 2 different PDUs here. That way we can lose half of our building power, and our stuff should still work. Of course, it doesn't always work out that way, but that's what we try. Alright, see, our box that had 512 gigabytes before is now saying 755, which is about right. Like, our memory addition was successful.